Hi, David Tanner here from Stella Marine. Just got one of our land-based 240 litre an hour watermakers here at Runaway Bay, just doing a real-world test. Always good to do the R&D, make sure the product that you're providing to the marketplace is exactly what it is. This one in particular is going to a research station on an island in the middle of the Pacific, and we just wanted to test our work. So here it is, Stella Land Based 240. Just for the purpose of the test, we're connecting the boost pump directly to the generator, and it works like this. The boost pump is now running. It's been bled. So it shows this. We're now bleeding out we are now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to connect the high pressure pump to the system. This is a high pressure pump, bit of a dodgy way of doing it, but we've now started the high pressure pump. We know we've got water flow, high pressure pump's running, boost pump's running. We now bring in pressure. You see the pressure starting to come up. We should start seeing now permeate here. See in the gauge, we're seeing flow. It's the start of making water, so it's now clearing. The flow gauge will permeate. And this is fresh drinking water. For every use it should be freshwater flush, which is simply plugging into some sort of pressurised power source that then will put clean water back through the system. About a minute and a half of clean water at about 11-12 psi is fine. So to turn it off, this is the important bit as well. So turning it off is the start procedure in reverse. So it's winding off the pressure. Turning off the high pressure pump. A bit dodgy in this instance. Then turning off the boost pump. And that's it.